My name is Jack Newton. I'm the head chef here at Half Cut Market. The first dish I've given put on the menu is a crab and langoustine cappellacci. At the start of the week, we're getting the crabs and the langoustines in. They're getting broken apart. The shells are put to the side for the bisque, and the crab is mixed with the chopped up langoustine, and then mixed with the herbs, lemon and ricotta. I'll make this into like a bit of a paste, and then it's putting in a piping bag, ready for being rolled into pasta. The pasta dough is made, will rest it for about an hour and a half beforehand. Then it's rolled out really thinly and cut into squares. After it's been cut into squares, we will pipe in the mixture. Give an egg wash around the side and fold it over. So then for the sauce, it's a mixture of the langoustine shells that have been cooked down with some white wine, shallots and some herbs. This is then mixed together with a butter and the brown crab meat. We blend this up with loads of black pepper, just so like it's a really like punchy, strong flavor. And then after we cook the pasta down, this is just mixed through it with the herbs and then plated up with some parmesan. So for the plating, 3 cappellacci are put on the plate. I'm getting the nice bubbly butter, crab butter, and it's being put over individually of them. And then we're finishing off by grating some fresh parmesan on top. So the dish is a crab and langoustine cappellacci with brown crab and langoustine bisque.